A single sneeze can rocket out of your nose at 100 miles per hour, faster than some cars on the highway. Picture this: a burst of air in tiny droplets, each carrying a whirlwind of energy, launches from your body with the force of a small tornado. It's not just a reflex, it's an incredible display of biology in action, a way for your body to forcefully expel irritants. In the blink of an eye, millions of microscopic droplets fan out, traveling up to 26 feet. This explosive event is both a defense mechanism and a testament to the power and complexity hidden within us. The next time you sneeze, remember, it's not just a simple achoo, it's a high-speed spectacle unfolding right under your nose.